Once upon a time, in a peaceful village nestled between rolling hills and lush green meadows, there lived a mischievous shepherd boy named Peter. Peter was responsible for watching over the village's flock of sheep. Each day, he would lead the sheep to graze in the meadows, ensuring they were safe from any harm. However, Peter had a naughty streak in him. To entertain himself and break the monotony of his duties, he devised a plan to play pranks on the villagers. Whenever he grew bored, he would climb to the top of a small hill and cry out, "Wolf! Wolf! The wolf is coming to get our sheep!" Hearing the boy's frantic cries, the concerned villagers would rush to his aid, carrying pitchforks and other tools. They would ask Peter where the wolf was, but he would just laugh and say, "Ha! There is no wolf. I was only joking." The villagers would return to their work, grumbling about the boy's silly pranks. Days passed, and Peter continued to cry, "Wolf," whenever he felt like it. The villagers, becoming annoyed by his false alarms, warned him, "Peter, if you keep playing tricks like this, one day we won't believe you when there's a real wolf." Peter would agree not to cry wolf again, but his mischievous nature got the better of him. He couldn't resist the temptation to trick the villagers one more time. Then, one fateful day, a real wolf did appear. It crept up to the flock of sheep, its eyes gleaming with hunger. The frightened sheep bleated in fear, but this time, when Peter cried, "Wolf! Wolf! The wolf is here!" the villagers paid no attention. They thought he was up to his old tricks. Desperate and terrified, Peter ran to the village himself, but it was too late. By the time the villagers arrived at the meadow, the wolf had devoured several sheep and scattered the rest. Peter realized his grave mistake. His foolish pranks had cost the village dearly. The villagers were saddened and angry, not only at the wolf, but also at Peter for betraying their trust. From that day forward, Peter learned a valuable lesson about honesty and the consequences of his actions. He understood the importance of telling the truth and not taking advantage of people's goodwill. The villagers forgave him, but they never trusted his word as they once did. And so, the story of the boy who cried, wolf serves as a timeless reminder to always speak the truth and not deceive others, for one's credibility and trustworthiness are hard to regain once lost.